Welcome back, 3D printing enthusiasts. In today's lesson, we're going to explore a topic that's near and dear to all of our hearts: the importance of sustainability and eco-friendly practices in the world of 3D printing. As we continue our journey towards building a thriving 3D printing business, it's crucial that we understand the environmental impact of our industry and how we can make a positive difference. 3D printing, like any manufacturing process, has its own environmental footprint. From the energy required to power the printers to the materials used in the printing process, 3D printing can have a significant impact on the environment if not managed responsibly. However, the good news is that there are many ways we can mitigate this impact and make our 3D printing operations more sustainable. One of the most important aspects of sustainable 3D printing is the choice of materials. Traditionally, 3D printing has relied heavily on plastics, which can be harmful to the environment if not properly disposed of or recycled. But the 3D printing industry has come a long way, and now there are a variety of eco-friendly materials available, such as bioplastics, recycled plastics, and even materials derived from natural sources like wood and bamboo. By choosing these sustainable materials, we can reduce our carbon footprint and do our part to protect the planet. Another critical factor in sustainable 3D printing is the energy efficiency of our operations. 3D printers, like any electronic device, require a significant amount of energy to operate. But by optimizing our printer settings, using energy-efficient models, and exploring renewable energy sources, we can significantly reduce the energy consumption of our 3D printing business, further minimizing our environmental impact. In addition to material and energy choices, we must also consider the issue of waste management. 3D printing can generate a fair amount of waste, from support structures to failed prints. But by implementing smart waste reduction and recycling strategies, we can ensure that our 3D printing operations are as eco-friendly as possible. This might include recycling unused printing materials, properly disposing of hazardous waste, and finding ways to reuse or repurpose 3D printed parts. As you can see, there are many ways we can make our 3D printing business more sustainable and eco-friendly. By embracing these practices, we not only protect the environment, but we also demonstrate our commitment to corporate social responsibility and position our business as a leader in the industry. So, let's continue our journey towards building a thriving 3D printing business, and let's do it in a way that's good for the planet and good for our bottom line. Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll dive into the details of setting up your 3D printing workspace. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the latest 3D printing tips and tricks. Before you go, be sure to check out our selection of eco-friendly 3D printing materials and accessories in the description below. And remember, every step we take towards sustainability makes a difference. So, let's work together to build a brighter, greener future for the 3D printing industry. See you in the next video.